The last photo was when I visited the Mob Museum in Las Vegas, and it's a picture of Frank Costello, an old mob leader. I'm the guy that's in the middle. The one to the left is Antonio Felix da Costa. It's when we did the preparation for Macau in Red Bull Ring. We had a little bit of a game going there with some gestures in the cars. This one is when I was traveling to Fort Lauderdale in the beginning of the year, of last year, when I went to Daytona. So a bit picture from the airplane with some filters. Yeah, this picture from when I was in Niseko in Japan. I like food a lot, and when I eat something nice I try to save a picture. It doesn't happen too often anymore, but when I was in Japan especially, I took pictures of everything because everything was simply so good. I think the one I use the most is probably Snapchat, because I use it a lot for chatting and also sending pictures. But the most useful one is probably WhatsApp, I think. Yeah, it's a bit of a mix. Here we have me waking up my friend Niklas, that's with me here in Vegas at 6 o'clock this morning. Here's breakfast. When Niklas was saying he wanted medium eggs, whatever that is. And here's Niklas again, firing some shots at a target at the Mob Museum again. It's One More Time with Daft Punk. But for some reason it's also other ringtones depending on who's calling, but I don't know why. Maybe it's a warning sign. I have at the moment 69 missed messages and 323 missed emails. So it's been too much Christmas time off, I guess.